Hello guys, welcome back to my uncle's channel, Leslie's All-in-One. Today my uncle is going to make one of my favorites, puttu. It is a steamed rice cake or rava cake. Please try this. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification.
To make semolina puttu, I have taken semolina, that is rava, grated coconut, added salt to a glass of water. Roast rava on a low flame for 5 to 8 minutes, mixing continuously till it is moisture free and slips off the ladle. It is done now. The key to soft puttu lies in the moisture content of the rice flour or rava. You should not add too much or too less water. I found that adding almost 2/3 cup of water to 2 cups of rice flour or rava works really good. I have already added salt to 1 glass of water, so no need to add salt separately. It should be a breadcrumb consistency. The right consistency of puttu powder is achieved when you take the prepared flour in your fist and close it to form a right shape. This is the right consistency of puttu powder. Add 2 cups water to the bottom vessel of the puttu maker and allow to simmer till hot. Up to this level, we need to fill the water. Place the round perforated disc with holes inside the puttu mold such that it fits well at the bottom of the mold. Place 2 spoons of grated coconut at the bottom of the puttu mold. Carefully and slowly place 3 spoons of the puttu powder. Followed by another layer of 2 spoons of grated coconut. Again layer with 3 spoons of puttu powder. Again place 2 spoons of grated coconut. Give it a light press. Put another layer of 2 spoons of puttu powder. And finish off with 1 spoon of grated coconut on the top. Just give a light press. You could see the water is boiling. Place the lid over the puttu mold and place the mold over the water vessel. Cook it on a medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes till the steam comes out from the mold. so you could see the steam. Open the lid, hold the puttu mold parallel to the serving plate, and with the help of long ladle or rolling pin, gently push the bottom disc such that the puttu slides onto the plate. Serve warm with kadla curry or banana and papadam, or even by fish curry. So puttu is ready to have. Puttu is a traditional breakfast in Kerala. Puttu served with kadla curry is one of the best combinations. But unfortunately, I have not made kadla curry, but we have other options as well. You can either have banana or else the previous day's curry. We know that Indian curry tastes better the next day as the flavor blends while it sits. So let me have it. I usually prefer the previous day's curry because it tastes really nice. Okay. It's really tasty. Please try this. Let me have another bite, then I will show you how it tastes with the banana. Really tasty. If you want, you can have this with a green chicken curry, which I am going to upload it shortly. That will be awesome. If you have that green curry with this puttu, it's going to be mind blowing. Okay, so I am going to download that video shortly within a week or two. Please try this with puttu. It will be really awesome. Let me have the banana. If you want, you can even take papad, okay, and have it with papad also. See, it tastes really nice. Really tasty. Please try this. It's a very heavy breakfast. If you have in the morning, no need to have anything till afternoon. Please try.